Now, this is how you're going to check your Google email on iPhone, and let's get into it. So it might kind of depend on what exactly you mean or what you want to achieve, but I'm going to show you all of the things which crossed my mind. So essentially, if you want to check your Google email on iPhone, you have a few options. You can either download the official Google application like Gmail for iPhone, and there you can log in with your Google Mail account and you can browse it in there. Or you can also use the built-in mail application from Apple, which is the blue icon that we are familiar with. And in there, you can also add your email account from Google without any problem. So essentially, you can open up the settings and tap on the apps at the bottom, then find mail, and then click on mail accounts. And in here, you can add another one, essentially as many as you wish, and just sign in with your Google account there, and you'll be able to add it to the mail app. So that is another possibility on how you can check your Google Mail on iPhone, right? So that's how you can add it. Outside of that, there are so many different other mail clients which you can use for this purpose. There is like Airmail, Spark Mail, and so many different other ones which you can install on your phone and also use to sign in with your Google Mail. So that's probably what you wanted to achieve. That's how you can get it there. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it, or if there are some other things which you had in mind and couldn't really do. Let me know about that in the comments, and perhaps I'll make an updated video about it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later.